Alright guys, this is Jim Tim Pro here, and I'm going to be making a video about what's inside this little alarm clock. So let's get started. Alright, so let's get going. I already screwed some of the screws off, but yeah, I'm actually going to sit over here. Maybe I won't be in the light so much. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we got the, here's the LCD screen, and I'm going to try to plug this in at the end. It's got a little protective cover. I just took it off. There it is. I don't know if you can see, but there's like 8 in it. There's 8 there. Yeah, all that good stuff. And then it looks like, I don't know what that is. This is the switch for the alarm. Right here we got the speaker. I'm going to try to plug this thing in when we're done and see if I can get it to go off. So, and then right there's the front. It's a little messed up, but alright. Now, I'm going to see, grab my, right there. I got this little thing out. I just screwed the screws off, and we got the plug right here. I'm actually going to see if I can get this stuff out and then plug it in. So I'll be right back. Alright, I can't seem to get this little alarm piece out. Ripped one of the wires, so I'm just going to use a little bit of my method. Well then. Hey! The alarm came out. It worked.
What? Yeah, don't worry, it worked.
Let me just go pick up some of these pieces. I'll be right back. Alright guys, all I'm going to do is take this little screw out. Just like so. And once I get this screw out, I'm going to try plugging it in. See if we can get it to turn on. There we go, there's that. Alright, so now we just got one long strand. Alright, and I'm going to leave you guys right here. Here's the LCD screen. And I'm going to see if I can plug this in. Alright, so I'm going to actually bring this little stool thing right over here. Alright, and this over. And 1, 2, 3. Let's see. It looks like it turned on. Alrighty. And then we got all these different buttons on the top, and they actually are labeled, right? Hour, snooze, all set. Let's see. See if I can set the time. There we go. You know, I think I might just keep this thing. Use it as an alarm in the morning. Try to find how to turn this stupid thing off. Alright. And then last thing's last, I'm going to see if I can touch this wire. Make the alarm go off. At least I'm pretty sure this is the alarm. That's what it was in front of the speaker. So, and here's this big old thing. Don't need that. Oh, here it is. So if I turn the alarm on, so alarm set. Let's go. $11:02. Hold the wire there. Then, hey, it works. That's pretty darn cool. And then press the snooze button. Yeah, there we go. All right, this was what's inside an alarm clock with Jim Tim Pro, and I'm just gonna open this up and show you guys some little things in it, and then I'm gonna be done with this video. So here we go. All right, see you guys next time.